Mm-hmm. Seemed like it. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Seemed like a little earthquake done hit the heart of America, along with the blizzards. Uh, Two earthquakes hit the Kansas, 3.9 and the 3.5, along with these horrible blizzards, man. The rain is coming through here. With these blizzards, there were tornadoes in Texas as well. I just want to show you that the heart of Babylon, it just got hit with just a little bitty earthquake, like that in the middle of that in the middle, and it's so-called America's heartland. And this part of America heartland, Nebraska and these little states. My cousin's he's doing some driving, transporting some stuff right now with his partner, with his team. His guy on his team that they travel all the way to Wyoming today, this weekend, and it was so much snow. He said, I mean, it's like it came up to his knees, right? It came up to his knees. I just want to say that the Most High is judging, big time. Shut up. The Most High is judging big time, right? I mean, what more can you ask from a God that just do what he does best, and that's judge the Edomites, the heathens, and some of the Hebrews. Oh man, it's gonna be if it rains tomorrow through here, it's gonna bring a lot of tornadoes, I believe, because it was 81 degrees in Georgia today. That rain come through here, it's gonna bring a lot of I'm gonna say a few maybe quite a few tornadoes over the southeastern region, going towards Ohio, all the places. All right, look at the snow right here, like it's wrapping back around and come back around again, like a little miniature hurricane. I ain't gonna say hurricane, like a little. You see how it's going back the opposite way? Amen. The Most High is alive, and he's judging, all right? Wake up Israel News, Chris Judah. See you next time. Shalom.